Hi, guys. This is just a quick little overview of our Monday lesson on biological organization. So normally, we do a discussion question on Mondays to get us started, and this week we're going to look at biological organization. So we're going to do most of the discussion in class. So if you're not able to come to class, that's okay. We're going to talk a little bit about it here so you have a better idea. In the lesson that is included for Monday, there will be a video to watch, and then you will have to create a model for the levels of biological organization. Now, lastly, we started on these levels by talking about cells. And this week we're going to continue in getting more and more complex as we go. Okay, so as usual, this slide deck will be shared on our webpage, on our Schoology page, sorry. It has all of the vocabulary you need in the very first page, right in the beginning of the slides, so that you always know where the most important vocabulary is. And for Monday, the goal is to design a model to show the levels of biological organization in living things. Might sound a little challenging, but it's easier than you think. Okay. And we're going to start in class. What we're going to do is look at these pictures and talk about what are the similarities and what are the differences in these pictures. You may notice there are some cells there, right? We have some blood cells, we have some nerve cells, we have some cheek cells that have been dyed purple. We also have organs there. We have brain, we have the stomach, we have the lungs, and then we have people, whole entire people. We have a chunk of skin over here on the right. So how would you categorize these things? Okay. What would you, if you had to group them, how would you group them? All right. In biology, we love to classify and group. So this is a very big part of biology. So what we would come up with, these are the groupings that I would come up with here. We have cells, tissues, organs, organ system, and organism. Now, let's define that, okay? Cells are the basic building block of life. They are the smallest living thing that we have, right? If we get a bunch of cells together and they all do the same thing, that's called a tissue. Not like a Kleenex, but like a tissue. So, muscle tissue is a good example. Skin tissue is a good example. And we're going to talk about different kinds of tissues in the body. If you have tissues that come together that do the same job, that would be considered an organ. And there are some organs you can see down here. The lungs, the stomach, those are all organs, okay? If you have several different organs that come together to do the same job, then we have the organ system. If you look at the digestive system that's down on the bottom left, your digestive system includes your tongue, your esophagus, your stomach, your large and small intestine, okay, all those kind of things, all designed with the exact same purpose. They all do different things, but they all have the same ultimate purpose, and that is to digest food and provide the energy and nutrients you need to survive. Okay. Now, an organism is the top level here, and that is when all those organ systems come together in one complete living organism. So, as a living organism, you have all kinds of different systems in you. You have a digestive system, a circulatory system, a skeletal system, et cetera, et cetera. And all of those things work together to allow you to do all the things that living things do: respond to stimuli, maintain homeostasis, gain energy, reproduce, grow and develop. Okay, all of those things that we know to be characteristics of life are possible because of these levels of organization. So, for your assignment, this is the final organization of these particular pictures, okay, from cells all the way up to organism. So, for your assignment, what you're going to be doing is categorizing these based on complexity. So, watch the video first and then watch this lesson, and then you can do this on your own. And the instructions will tell you how to do it. You can either use a PowerPoint slide and turn that in, or you can make your own on a piece of paper and just take a picture of it and send that in. It is totally fine. I will take either one. So if you have any questions about the assignment, you can let me know and I'll help you out. Have a good day.